Noah and the Ugly Dog. You may have read the story of Noah and the Ark. The story you will now read is also about Noah. But it is long before he built the Ark. Perhaps you also know that Noah lived a very long life. Ordinary man's life is not more than 100 years. Noah was no ordinary man. He was a prophet. Noah lived for 2,500 years. One day Noah was passing by a lonely road. He saw a dog. The dog was not good to look at. In fact, it was very ugly. The dog was so ugly that Noah did not even like to look at it again. Noah felt disgusted at the sight of the ugly dog. He said to himself, "Ya Allah! What an ugly dog." Immediately, by the will of Allah, the dog began to speak. The dog said to Noah, "Oh Noah, I'm ugly. It is sad, no doubt. But, if you have power, create one even as ugly as myself. Can you?" Noah was a good man. He was humble and sincere. He realized that he should not have said what he had said. He began to cry with tears of repentance. He cried begging forgiveness of Allah. Moral of the story: never hate any creature however bad looking it may be.